Essential that crap. Essential that crap. I got 5 flashlights, but I'm home by 4. Bought another knife, cause it looked like the one before. Made a leather pouch for a pen worth 8 quid. Spent 3 nights stitching, don't tell the kids. My pockets weigh more than my first family car, but I still say, I don't carry that much, it's not that hard. I know where every exit is, carry blasters just in case. I got 15 meters of paracord and absolutely nowhere to place it. Essential that crap, pocket full of wanted gear. Essential that crap, buying bargains all year. Leather, paracord, brass and titanium dreams. If there's room inside a pocket, I'll fill it at the seams. Essential that crap. Essential that crap. Essential that crap. Essential that crap. The wife's just asked another parcel, no love. This one's different. It's a pry bar for opening boxes that contain another pry bar. Wallet, made it, keyring, braided it, torch, modified, multitool, oxidized, needed, probably not, bought it, absolutely